Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Bitcoin Cash. You can see the Bitcoin Cash price is at 577. Let's look more close what happens here. Let me check this. The problem here is we have a good base here, yeah, but you can see here we test this nearly one time, two time, three time. If we adjust a little bit, so that we can say, okay, after the fourth time, it could be happen that the price could fall to the downside, yeah. And let me check this with Bitcoin price. You can see that the Bitcoin price is relatively clear. We have here this situation that the price could go to these levels, 39,000, a fake outbreak here, and then the price could go to the downside, yeah. And here at the Bitcoin price is important, this trend line to the top side. We have to break this to the top side so that we can say, okay, everything is positive so that we can here invest. But it's not the case here. And that's the reason why we could go next week to the downside. Yeah. Let me check this with Bitcoin Cash. You can see we have here the situation that we have here two very strong moves to the downside, and this is the third move to the downside. And if you look to the whole chart, then you can recognize this is an inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and this is the worst part of them, and we will go here down. The question here is that is very hard here because this is the neckline, yeah. And let me check more. If we say we have here a trend line to the downside, so it could be possible that we could hit here. You can see from my adjustment, if I take the line here, then we are really bad in the situation. So we have to look that we find a normal uh, neckline so that we can say, okay, this is in an area was the, what acceptable is, yeah. So let's look. So I would say this is a good price here. My price target was for 360, but it could be possible that we could go to 240. Why 240? Because um, long term, yeah, you can see that we are the most of the time at this level here, 240. So this is a very strong area for um, Bitcoin Cash. So I would say that we will come back to this area. Yeah. Then we have here some situations. If this happened, then you can see we touch this one time, two time, three time, and this is the condition of a start of a bull run. Yeah. And you will wondering how fast we will go to the top side. And for those who not own Bitcoin Cash, maybe this is a wonderful situation to get this, because if you look to this year, the next move is more than 1600. Yeah, so not looking to very sad to the situation. Maybe this is a good possibility to get here this price cheap. Yeah, you can see on the title, the Mo Boys and the Clowns will lose next week. The price will go to the downside. Let's check near term. Let's check the situation here. Clear to see from this information, the price will go. Let me check. Next week the price is this. Yeah. So I think we could go to 388. Yeah. So after 388, you can see, oh, wonderful. Look here. You have here support. So it could also possible that we go to 374 and make a retest of this here, and then finally we lose here to 240. Yeah. So if you want to know how we can go exactly from this point in direction of 1600, then please come in the WoW Exclusive Club. It's relatively clear here what will happen here in this area. So I think take the chance and be one step in front of the other people. So we're looking to Bitcoin, and you can see most of the people write in the comments, yeah, the Bitcoin price will rise, but I see no rising of the price is falling. And you can see the channel is active here, and you can see we touch this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and this time we will lose to the downside. Yeah, I think this support will not hold, and we will go to, I think, 26,000 levels, maybe 25,000. Let's see what happens here next week. But next week is important. I think many of you will lose a lot of money because some constellations, if you look here, uh, when these big losses happened, then you can see and make a pattern for you yourself. Then you can see that maybe mid of June, yeah, 3 days, 4 days later, that we could get here this big move to the downside. Yeah, all signs look to them that the price will drop to these levels. So if you have questions, please write this in the comment field, and I go to the next crypto. See you later.